Okay, we've looked at the shirts and the trousers. Now for the most important part. I need to find a smart jacket or blazer for our friend's wedding next weekend.
I agree. The jacket is the key piece of the outfit. The dress code is smart casual, so you need something that is elegant but not too formal, like a full suit.
Exactly. It needs to be comfortable as well, so I can wear it all evening. What about this section here? It looks like they have some nice blazers.
Yes, this looks promising. Ooh, look at this one, speaker one. What do you think of this navy blue blazer? The color would look really good on you.
Let me see. Oh, that's very nice. I like the color a lot. And feel the material? It's very soft and seems quite lightweight, which is good for a late summer wedding.
The style is very classic, too. It has two buttons and a nice slim fit. I think it's a perfect option. It's smart, but you could also wear it with jeans later. It's very versatile.
You have a good eye for style. I really like it. I think I should definitely try this one on.
Okay, so you are going to try on the navy blue blazer. Now you just need to find your size on the rack.
This is always the tricky part for me. I am never quite sure what my size is. Sometimes I am a medium, but in other brands, a medium is too small and I need a large.
I know what you mean. The sizing is not consistent between different clothing brands. It can be very confusing.
What do the labels on these hangers say?
Let's see. They have small, medium, large, and extra large. They're all hanging here together.
What size do you normally wear in jackets?
I think most of my jackets at home are a medium, so maybe I should start with that. But I've never bought anything from this brand before, so I don't know how their clothes fit.
Why don't you just take the medium into the fitting room first? You can try it on, and if it doesn't fit, you can always try a different size.
That's a good plan. It's better to just try one size at a time. Okay, I have the blazer in a size medium. Let's go and find the fitting rooms. All right, here are the fitting rooms. There is one free right here at the end. I will wait for you out here on this comfortable-looking chair.
Okay, thank you. I will try not to be too long. I'm just going to take off my current jacket and put this new one on.
Take your time. You need to see how it really feels. Make sure you button it up and move your arms around a little bit.
That's a good tip. It's important to see if you can move comfortably. Okay, I have it on now. I'm going to come out and show you. I need your honest opinion.
Of course, the mirrors inside the fitting rooms can sometimes be a bit strange. It's good to have a second opinion.
Okay, here I am. What do you think? How does the size medium look on me?
Come over here so I can get a better look. From the front, it looks quite good. The navy blue color is definitely great on you.
Thank you. I like the color too, but I am not so sure about the fit.
What do you mean you are not sure about the fit? Tell me how it feels to wear it.
It just feels a little bit tight, especially across my back and my shoulders here. When I move my arms forward, it feels very restrictive. It feels a bit snug.
I can see that now that you mention it. It does look a little tight across the shoulders. A blazer should be comfortable, not restrictive. Can you button it up?
I can, but it's a bit of a struggle. Look, when I do up the top button, the fabric is pulling a little bit here in the middle. It doesn't look quite right.
You are right. It is pulling. That is a clear sign that it is too small for you. What about the length of the sleeves?
I think the sleeves are a little bit too short as well. See? My shirt cuff is showing a lot more than it should. The sleeves should come down to my wrist.
I agree. So the verdict is in. The style and color are perfect, but the size medium is definitely too small for you. You need to try the next size up.
I think so too. I need to try this exact same blazer, but in a size large. So it's decided. I need to try the large. I'll just go back into the fitting room and take this one off.
Okay. Do you want me to go back to the rack where we found the blazer and see if they have a size large there?
Could you do that? That would be very helpful. I hope they have one on the shop floor. That would be the easiest solution.
No problem. I'll be right back. I'm just going back to the menswear section.
Okay, I'm waiting.
I'm back. I have some news. I looked through all the hangers on that rack very carefully. They have several blazers in small and medium, and one in extra large. But there are no more in size large.
Oh no, really? That's so disappointing. I really like this blazer. So what should we do now?
Well, we have two options. We could give up on this blazer and try to find a different style, or we could ask a shop assistant for help. They might have more sizes in the stock room at the back of the store.
Let's do that. Let's ask for help. It's worth a try. I really want this specific blazer if possible.
Okay, so the plan is to find a shop assistant and ask them to check for a size large in the stockroom. Now we just have to find someone who works here.
The store is quite large, and it's a busy Friday evening. I don't see anyone immediately around us, near the fitting rooms.
Let's walk back towards the main part of the menswear department. There is usually staff near the cash registers or folding clothes on the tables.
Good idea. Let's go and have a look. Oh, wait. Look over there. By that display of shirts. I see a young woman in the store's uniform. She is a sales associate.
Oh, perfect! She doesn't look too busy with another customer. She is just tidying a pile of shirts. This is a good moment to approach her.
Should I go and ask her? I still have the medium blazer with me.
If you want, or I can do it, it doesn't matter. The important thing is to be polite. You should always start with a simple, "Excuse me," to get their attention.
You are right. You are better at this than I am. Could you please ask her for me?
Of course, no problem at all. Let's walk over there. Okay, we are close to the shop assistant now. I will get her attention. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I was wondering if you could possibly help us?
She is smiling and says, "Of course. How can I help?" That's a good start.
My friend here is trying on this navy blue blazer. We really love the style and the color.
I'm holding up the blazer so she can see which one it is.
He tried it on in a size medium, but it's just a little bit too small for him. It's a bit tight in the shoulders.
She is nodding. She seems to understand the problem.
We went to look on the rack, but we couldn't find this exact blazer in a size large. We were just wondering if you might have any more sizes in the stockroom?
She is taking the blazer to look at the label.
It would be great if you could check for us. We would really appreciate it.
The shop assistant was very friendly and helpful. She took the medium blazer with her, so she has the product code.
Yes, she said, of course. I will just go and check in the stockroom for you. It will only take me a couple of minutes. Please wait here.
So now we just have to wait and hope for the best. I really hope she finds one. I have my heart set on this blazer now.
I know. It's perfect for the wedding. Let's stay positive. Stockrooms are often quite big and a bit disorganized. It might just take her a minute to locate it.
What do you think we should do if she comes back and says they don't have any in a size large? What's our plan B?
Well, we could look at the other colors in the same style. I remember they had this blazer in a gray color and also in a beige color. Maybe the gray one could work?
Maybe, but I really preferred the navy blue. The other option is to look for a completely different style of blazer, but we might have to start our search all over again.
Let's not worry about Plan B just yet. Look, the shop assistant is coming back, and I think she is holding something blue in her hand. That is great news. The shop assistant is walking towards us, and she has the navy blue blazer in her hand.
Yes, she is smiling. She said, "You are in luck. This was the very last one we had in a size large. It was hiding in a corner of the stockroom."
Whew, that was close. We are very lucky indeed. Thank you so much for finding it for us. We really appreciate your help.
I will take the blazer from her now. Okay, I have the large. Now for the moment of truth. I need to go back to the fitting room and try this one on.
Go ahead. I will wait here for you again. I have my fingers crossed that this one will be a perfect fit.
Me too. Okay, I am back in the fitting room. I'm putting on the new size now. It already feels much better. It doesn't feel tight in the shoulders at all. I can move my arms freely. I'm coming out to show you.
Oh, wow. That looks so much better. It's a perfect fit. It's not too tight and not too loose. It hangs really nicely on you.
It feels so much more comfortable than the medium. The sleeves are the right length now, too. Look, they come right down to my wrist.
The sleeve length is perfect. And when you button it up, the fabric doesn't pull at all. It just sits flat and looks very elegant. You look so smart in it.
Let me just have a look in the big mirror over here. I want to see the full picture. You are right. It looks great. I am so happy the assistant found this size for us.
It was definitely worth asking for help. It has made all the difference. So, is this the one? Are you going to buy it?
Absolutely. The style is perfect, the color is great, and now the size is perfect too. This is the blazer for the wedding. Let me just check the price tag.
The price is quite reasonable for a good quality blazer. It's an investment. You will wear it for many years.
That's true. Okay, my decision is final. I'm buying it. I'll just go and get changed back into my own clothes.
Great! We should thank the shop assistant one more time on our way to the cashier. Our mission is a success. You are going to look so handsome at the wedding.